our former President APJ Abdul Kalam, India has lost a great human being. APJ Abdul Kalam was a true patriot of the country. He loved the country, he obsessed with the country, with all his passion, feeling, knowledge, experience. Always was talking about the country and the people. And in particular, he was more focusing on children, youngsters, how they can be ignited to expose themselves or unleash their potential to the full capacity. And he was more keen on the students and young minds with scientific temperament and scientific inquiry. He was a man of great wisdom, a man of simplicity, with humility always in his approach. And he was also a man with great wisdom about various knowledge, including various faiths and practices, science and technology, social criteria which is happening around the world in the country as well as abroad, always in touch with the human beings. And his passion I found always with the people and the country. He was obsessed, as I said, with the nation and his people. How this could be improved on this level, the people's level to the national level, from every angle, he is always thinking, right from his day of retirement, or right from the day he left the Rashtrapati Bhavan, is always, I found, from his writing, thinking about the country and the people. I had a chance to meet him in Rashtrapati Bhavan, and my experience of that meeting with him was he was a simple man of simple habits, his character with humility and cordiality to the people who visit there, and also his keenness to know about the people around him. We had a discussion about how the country can improve through the political situations and how it could be changed. And he had a patient listening, and certain thing which I requested him to take initiative so that the politician can be transformed, he accepted, but unfortunately perhaps could not carry further to his logical end, which could have benefited the politicians. Anyhow, I found him, he was very keen about the country and the people around him, and his focus was mainly on the youngsters where he can give some guidance. All his travel, all over the country, he was been interacting with the people, students, general public, where humanity can combine with the technology and science and lead the country to progress and development and benefit humanity as whole from the Indian point of view. He has a great love for the country. One of the few patriots we can say as a president who started thinking in his style. As I could see in all the writings there, he had so many guests in his house of his relatives. All the bills of those relatives he has paid from his personal pocket, which is something, an indication for others to follow. Being in the highest post of a country, how he should be a model for them, others to emulate, to be a respected president. In his knowledge about his science and technology, and his knowledge about the various faiths, scriptures and religion, and his knowledge about the social requirements of the country, all put together, we can say one of the few presidents of the country who has lived as a model and left a legacy for others to see after him. Today we have lost him, but his writings, inspirations, all are available for the people to reflect and how best we can emulate to make our country great, which was his deep aspiration. On this day, All around the people are mourning of his death. The real tribute we can pay is following what he preached for the people, particularly the youngsters, and get enlightened out of his teachings. And also see collectively what they can contribute to the country, which was his obsession, his passion, I could say. He has so much obsession with passion, how the country can go for nothing else he had. No family, no children, no other work for him, no job in the institutions. So he was always passion for the people, passion for the country. That should live among the people of the country, particularly the youngsters and the youth.